Hello everyone, how you doing? My name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. This is the $1,000,000 challenge, and welcome to the channel. On this channel, we do dividend investing, growth investing, option trading, and we talk about Tesla all the time. So if you're new to the channel, if you're watching this video for the first time, welcome. This is a portfolio where I'm going to take this portfolio all the way to at least the first $1,000,000, and this is why I have this channel. Everything centered around this portfolio. We are going to $1,000,000. So we're gonna talk about this portfolio today. We're gonna talk about some of the stocks that we have in here, the best performers, the top holders. We're just gonna go over the portfolio. I do this on a weekly basis. Once a week, I do a dividend update. So if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to the channel. It greatly helps the channel out tremendously. Second thing we're also going to talk about, we're going to briefly look at the S&P 500. I'll give you a little bit of my opinion on what I think the market will do this year. And at the same time as well, we're going to take a look at Tesla. We're going to see, because Tesla is one of the biggest gainers of 2020, we're going to take a look at Tesla, just add a little bit of a commentary to the company. So in today's portfolio, we're just gonna go over our income, because I always like to go over the income that the portfolio generate on a weekly basis, going all the way back to 1 or 3 months. So you guys that you've been following along with the portfolio, you can keep up with the progress of the portfolio and how the portfolio has been doing. This is a self-managed portfolio. I am not an investment professional. I read a lot of books on investing, and I try to put those to work. I studied business by background, and I have a love for finance, so that's why I do stuff like this. So on Friday, this is the performance of the portfolio. We did not earn any money last Friday. So for the past week, we have earned a total of $16, almost $17 here. $16 and 83 cents. Okay, if you go down, look at the bottom here, you can see the dates, Jan 19 all the way to January 24th. And then if we just scroll back up here, you see that for the month, the portfolio so far, December 20th to January 20th, the portfolio has generated $61, and that gets added. That gets added to the cash balance here, and this is why I have money here. This $1.16 is literally dividend income. So if you look at the past 3 months and the past quarter, 3 months, the portfolio has generated $118. One thing I want to tell you guys is $118. It's a lot of money. It's almost $200. It's a lot of money now. The snowball is starting to be strong, and I'm seeing the monthly growth, the monthly amount of money that I get paid. I'm seeing it going up on a regular basis. So at the moment, what I do with the portfolio, how I track the income that comes into the portfolio, is I have this spreadsheet here where I track on a monthly basis. When I get the statement, I track this on a monthly basis, where it shows me exactly how much money I'm getting paid on a monthly basis. Okay, so in December was my biggest month. I did a video like late November. I did the video late November saying December will be my biggest month. I hope you guys were paying attention to the video. And as you guys can see, the result here is $118 in income here for the month of December. So in as you guys can see here, this is a graphical representation of the data that I just showed you guys. This is the actual income data, and at the top here, so let me go through January. Okay, let me go through my whole 2020 with you guys. This is 2020. At the end of December in 2020, I made $1.58. and then it went up $3, then it went up 7, then 8, came down a bit, went up dramatically, came down, went up, came down. So here in September I made $66. Okay, here 30, basically almost $40 here, $35 here, and in December I made $118. So this is quite nice. The portfolio is paying very well at this point, because in January here, January 2022, January 2020, I only got paid. I only had $1.58 in passive income, and by December, I was able to get $118 in the month of December. So I'm going from $1 all the way to $118 in December. So this is actually quite nice. Like that's a really good increase. So right here, this is literally out of my M1 brokers. Out of my M1, you can see the dates here, the date that I screenshot this, even the time. This is literally out of my M1 broker statement, and you guys can see here the total taxable dividend is $109. Okay, that's how much I ended up with if I added all the stuff up with all my other brokers. This is a screenshot from my monthly statement from M1. So this portfolio is doing very well. It's doing what it needs to do, and I'm enjoying actually taking my finances seriously and actually getting rewarded for investing in great companies. I'm really enjoying this portfolio and this way of looking at investment. So I just thought let me point that out to you guys, because some of you guys might wonder where these numbers are coming from. That is part of it. I get a statement. The statement gets released to us that we use this broker. If you're interested in using M1, I will have a link in the description for you to set yours up. I'll have a link there. I also have a video where you can check to see which link you need to click on exactly. I'm going to have it in the description for you to go check out as well. So for those of you guys that also want to know more, because I get a lot of people that I talk to, my friends and family that I talk to, and they always want to know how I'm able to generate this amount. This is how they come in. They come in from all these different companies, and it all comes in little amounts, but all this small amounts that all come in, it adds up to a lot of money pretty much over time. So that's pretty much how they come into the portfolio. So the other thing that I also wanted to let you guys know is that as an investor, right, I'm a relatively conservative investor. Like I don't like to put money into things that I'm not sure of. So for me as an investor, if I'm not sure about something, I don't put a lot of money in. As you guys can see, most of my money is in Tesla. About a good chunk of my money is in Tesla. SPHG has a good chunk of my money. Apple, this Charles Schwab large cap ETF. My money is basically in mainly ETFs for the most part. My top holdings are mainly in ETF for the most part, which means for me, I look at investment, I look at it from the point of just be conservative at first. When you have a decent amount of money in conservative investments, then you can just broaden your horizon by taking a little bit more risk, especially when you are young. So for you guys that are curious to see all the stocks that are in the slices, because I have different stocks in the slices. If you're curious, look at click the link below. I'm gonna have links for you to click on if you are interested in checking out the entire portfolio, so you can see all the companies that I have in each and every single one of these slices. So as for the S&P 500, I just want to quickly share my opinion on the market, right? Because if we take a look here, for the 1 day, we're not doing too bad on the 1 day. Pretty much stayed flat on Friday. Past 5 days, we've pretty much been flat since January. So I think the market is waiting to get the whole inaugural thing out of the way. I personally think this year 2021, I personally think we're gonna have a bullish year. Yeah, a lot of people keep talking about markets being a bubble and all these things. I personally don't think it's gonna be a problem because of the way people invest. People reinvest their dividend to be able to earn more money. So naturally that will push up the market. And plus we have over how many trillions and trillions of dollars worth of stimulus coming into the market as well. So I think that would help push up the market. Definitely that will help push up the market significantly this year. By how much, I have no idea. If the market goes down again, let's say we see another wave and the market drops to another 30%, I will be a net buyer of stocks. I'll be buying stocks aggressively again, because situations like this, for me, it's always a huge buying opportunity, because you cannot bet against America. You cannot bet against American companies. American companies are the best at whatever they do. American companies innovate. So this index representing the top 500 companies in the United States, I think collectively, most likely we're gonna see another up year this year. Last year for me in this portfolio, last year was great. If I click here up to 1 year, we take a look. 1 year, I click on 1 year. I was able to generate a 51% return in the market. Okay, 51% return is huge. That is crazy amount of numbers to generate. But I kept my cool when we had this huge meltdown during the beginning of the virus. And if you see from there till, if you take a look at from this low till this point, the market is up 72%. So from the low till now, the S&P is even beating me. But I think in general for the whole year, I'm doing quite well against the S&P 500. The S&P is up 17%. So the portfolio is doing well. The S&P missed out last year by not adding Tesla to the portfolio, which brings me to Tesla. Tesla is a huge company at this point. The chances of Tesla going boss, or the chances of Tesla not surviving, that one is long gone already. Okay, Tesla has a $20 billion war chest. $20 billion of cash is in the company's bank account. The company is worth $802 billion. They're coming out with giga plants, giga press, that the 2 factories are going to come online. Maybe they're going to even announce another 2 factories. There's rumors of one in India. There's a couple of rumors but this Wednesday will be Tesla's earnings call, so I'll be waiting I'll actually be doing a live stream. So if you guys want to join me, that would be fantastic. I'll be doing a live stream, sharing my thoughts on the Tesla's earnings call. So that will be something for you guys to check out and be a part of as well. But nevertheless, I will download the live stream and also put it on the channel, so you guys can catch up with the live stream easily on this channel. But in my opinion, I think Tesla will gain another 50% this year. I think this price would double. We should see maybe another 15. This price by the end of the year should be like $1,500-$1,600, which would put Tesla to be at least close to 1.2 1.3 trillion dollars in market cap. I think this company is gonna do quite well in 2021, so I don't have any issues with that company. So that's pretty much it. Today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the update. There's really not much to say in terms of news. There's no big news that is out there to talk about. The only news that is out there is about GameStop, and to be honest, it's not really significant enough to even talk about when it comes to this strategy. So that's why I'm not mentioning it. But thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you for watching the video. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any contribution or you have any question, comment down below. For those of you guys that follow this video on a weekly basis, I appreciate you guys. If you have any question, please comment down below and use my link. Use the link down below. It helps support the channel if you're interested in setting this up, and if you're also interested in a walkthrough. If you don't know, if you're just interested in a walkthrough in terms of how to set it up, links will be below. Shoot me a DM on IG. This channel do have a DM. Okay, so links down below. Thank you again. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Bye.